In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit attribute tables. So this project is open on the left side on this contents pane. Let's look at one of these layers. To open the attribute table, I will right click on this layer and click attribute table, or I can use the shortcut key Control T. And this is the attribute table that I have been customizing. Fields, tenant name, street number, street name, address, unit type, bed, bath that I added. And these other fields in the beginning, these were by default added when the building footprints were digitized. So this is something like an Excel document, but it has geodata attached to other information. When we open attribute table, here on the top, this table menu also appears. If we click on the table, then we see different tools as well. I want to add one more field. Let's say I want to add a column here, and I want to define that. Go to this add icon here, just beside this field. This is add field. Click here, a new window appears. This includes information about the field names. That means the column headings. Here I will type the field. Okay, let's type name, alias, name. This will be a text. When I click text, then its length is automatically 255. If I need more than that, then I can increase or decrease from here. Besides text, I can define other data type. So if I double click here, what kind of field we are adding? Short integer, long integer, big integer, float, double, text, date, date only, timestamp, blob, GUID, raster, we can define from here. We added name field. Let's save on the top here, and I'll close this. Here, see the last column, the name is added. Let's edit this attribute table now. First, this street number is already added here. These are the individuals. So to update the street numbers, I need to click this individual cell. I need to select this first and then double click, input the name. So I have to do that individually. And even here for the names, name of the tenants, I need to double click and add the name. But there are some fields where the information repeats. For example, this is street name. So I do not require to click this individual cells or individual rows and update that. So I can do a global change at a time. How do I do that? Let's say here, these street names are organized. Here, the street numbers, which have the same alphabet, share the same street name. So street number starting with A, they share the same name, Hillcrest Street. Likewise, street number C, B, D. But here, these are not arranged alphabetically. So what I will do, I will select this street number and right click and click short ascending. All these streets are arranged alphabetically in an ascending order. A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's add street name for street numbers starting with E. First, on the very left here, I will click this. So the entire row is selected. And then I will scroll down up to the last E street number, E9. I will click my Shift key of my keyboard and click here. So all the street numbers or all the buildings which start with E are selected. Because we are adding the street name here, I will, on the name field, street name, I will right click so that that field is selected, and I will click calculate field. This calculate field, small window appears, and by default here, the street name is selected from the fields. If it is a different one, then I will go and double click the street name. It is already selected, and for the first time, you will see a blank screen here. So we're adding a text value. Now we'll add the text here. What is E? E is the evergreen way. I will add a string here, double comma, evergreen way, and close the double comma. And I'll hit apply. It will apply, and okay. So all these letters, street numbers with E, the street names are updated as evergreen way. Similarly, I'll follow this process for those with F as well. Okay.
Select this column and then scroll down to the end of F, which is F9. Shift, click. All the F are selected. I'll go to street name, right click, calculate field. I'll rename this as, now I'll just select this evergreen way and type river.
Because now I know this is the correct one, so instead of clicking apply, I can directly click OK. Because this name is same for all rows. Instead of selecting these rows separately, let's first clear the selection, and I will select this last column, calculate field, and it says name, apply, everything, and this column is named same. And we go to edit. Okay, I think we're good here. We save here. So we updated the table. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and also subscribe this channel. On the comment box below, please write what kind of video you want me to prepare for you. Thank you.